A source map is a way to map a combined or minified file back to its unbit state. Using source maps, you can make your client-side code readable and, more importantly, debuggable, even after you have combined and minified it without impacting performance. There are a couple of options to generate source maps using Webpack. These options can affect bit and read speed significantly. You can check the full list of source maps options here in Webpack documentation. To configure Webpack to generate the source maps, we will need to make some adjustments in the Webpack config. I'm going to add a property here called DevTool and set its value to eval. Actually, that's the default setting when you install Webpack. Let's run our serve script by running npm run serve and see what this is going to do for us. So in Chrome Developer Tools, open the Sources tab and you will find a not modified version of the code in the index.js file, which is the generated source map. The problem is that if you look at bundle.js, we have all the source maps inline in the file. So we are sending all the source maps to our application users. It will slow down your application load time, and that's not what you want to do. But eval is the fastest source map option for Webpack to build and rebuild. Thus is the preferred option during development. In production, we will need to use another source map option called source-map. If I run npm run build this time, Webpack is going to generate the bundle.js alongside with bundle.js.map. Now, bundle.js file size is smaller because the only thing that is getting delivered to our application users is our actual code and a URL to the source maps. And this is the most common way that people use source maps for production. If you don't want to use source maps for any reason, you can set the dev tool to false, and Webpack will not generate the source maps.